Good evening, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Google's Chrome Safety Check feature, WhatsApp's redesigned UI for channels, SpaceX Starship 28 static fire test, Google's reorganization of ad sales unit, Paytm's workforce reduction after AI implementation, Infosys terminates $1.5 billion AI solution agreement, Mistral AI's open source GPT-4 level model in 2024. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Chrome Safety Check to run in the background, checking compromised passwords, alerts for dangerous extensions, latest Chrome version and safe browsing status, automatic revocation of permissions for unused websites planned, enhanced safety check to flagless engaged sites with excessive notifications. Safety check introduced in December 2020 for password and security checks. Next, we have WhatsApp beta update introduces redesigned UI for channels. UI includes a button and layout to highlight channel message, aims to make channel update stand out on WhatsApp. Similar UI to Instagram's post sharing on stories. Part of Meta's effort to streamline UI across its services. SpaceX conducts successful static fire test for Starship 28 prototype. 6-engine test includes both sea level and vacuum engines. Drone footage and images showcase the immensity of engine thrust. Rings of fire observed around Starship during the test. Starship intended for future orbital flights. Google plans reorganization of its 30,000 strong ad sales unit. AI-based tools automatically suggest and create ad reducing manual role previously laid off around 12,000 employees earlier in the year. AI-powered campaign planner Performance Max introduced in 2021. Focus on automation and generative AI for efficient ad creation. Paytm lays off over 1,000 employees from operations, sales and engineering. AI-powered automation introduced to improve efficiency. Expected 10 to 15% cost savings in employee cost. Company emphasizes focus on existing businesses like lending. Decision to slow down small ticket postpaid loans prompts job cut. Next up we have Infosys terminates $1.5 billion agreement with undisclosed global AI-focused company. Agreement signed in September for a 15-year period. No specific reason disclosed for the termination. Original goal was to enhance digital experiences using Infosys platforms and AI solutions. Cancellation follows Infosys layoff around 12,000 employees earlier in the year. At last, Mistral AI CEO announces open source GPT-4 level model release in 2024. Recent release of 8x7b based on the MOA architecture surpasses Llama 2 70b on benchmarks with 6x faster inference, secures $415 million funding with a $2 billion valuation, introduces La Platforme for API endpoints and 3 model categories. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.